Okay, so I got this for a very good bargain. When I turn it on, I've noticed one issue, which is this. If you can hear it, there's actually a glassy sound. Work. Pull this out. Remove the 4 screws here. Okay, so as you can see here, that's the tube. It's a Valvestate, so it's a mixture of a tube preamp and a solid state. So again, use just one hand, the other hand is on your pocket. Slowly release and open this and wiggle it. Wiggle it slowly until it's loose. Okay, and you can see that's the original Marshall ECC83. Now we're gonna replace it with an upgrade with this one. It's a JJ Electronic. It has very good reviews, so that's why I'm gonna use this as well. Out of the box, it really looks clear. The internals are different, slightly different. There's a small thing inside. We'll see how it sounds. Just put it back the way you put it out. Wiggle it slowly. Again, use one hand just to avoid a circuit loop. You don't want to touch those capacitors. And that's it, we're done. Blythe, can you pass me the screwdriver? Let me introduce you my assistant.
Hello, I am Abigail, and I also have another name, Blythe. Or you can, and this time you can call me any names you want. And even I also have a video called Happy Abigail. And even I have so many channels there, except for 8 steps, LOL reviewing. I'm always doing so many fun things for kids. And even I also have a friend 30 who's also watching my channels.
Okay, bye.
Bye.